Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress mentakasngi kelakeno bakajing kelem jong tunum pulun ke assembly kedai na kadaw kajing ploti kinong pentrei bat kajing bambut thek pathek iki kendon balale da kinong penwandur jong kane ke assembly building. Habai crunch kilat pathai ku bor u vice president ke MPYC usamla ban piralang basai moit ulaong bakajing kamu menteri rang ba bakajing kelem kedai na kadaw kajing khapalan bakajing bamdan kajing trailang hapring kinong tray kadai tang kajing tap et miao jong menteri rang ba ban pelat yu engineer ba pentray ya kani kam na kajing kit kli halor kani kam ula ongru ba ka sarkar kadi ben pelat pat ba ya ka kai phot jong kani kun hun tokin blale da ka IIT Guwahati khnang ban lam ik jing shisha namar ke ek bo kran kampen hun satya namar ya ka kai phot badaki sans pasla tamula kran peningkot tanglai sentence Shushu laong bakajing IT ke sarkar sa company UPRNN kat bakani ka company kala ay pateng pat sa company BRC 100% ban pentre ya kani kajing tay watla hakakendon ka contract la sya tang 10%.
Ka IIT Guwahati kabede baka collab song utuh ka assembly building ka jongi. Akong kata ka report baki buong CM it is a 500 page report. Teka 500 page report la should summarize tang hapo likely sentence. Ka first buong kadan arbenta part A kadi ba the dome weight was too heavy saw hajas and spa kilo. Kabaar lack of coordination between the designers, contractors and the project management consultants kabadi kapiludi. Part 2 part buong ba ka building ibadon tay menta kadong safe and as per standards. Tadai ka 500 page report that will summarize tang hapo lai sentence adi ba summarize po pet ba teling ba ki summarization jong CM ni ikajing bure kabobon ka ba pet ba kini pantip ka ba kumi ang president ba haban bu public domain ka report tingi na kriang ka youth congress na le ka humro bejongi la kendo pati bria from very reliable sources tiba ai ngi pat ka perspektif jong ki designers jong ka building nak report pengiyo mangin ki jong tho e kidan kindiat kimat ki bangi ko ban pin issue show halok ka report ba IIT Guwahati ki designers ki ong ba kada go statement ki ong hani ki kot miyo kanan adherence to the drawing issued kakum ka drawing block pen create ki designers ki contractors baki project management consultants iklam le thik pathing kabaar kabaki dan ka we ka statement kai pat makut ki kadan ka pu workmanship and execution ka kontri ka tertiba pat ka kontri kam ka tertiba ka mat ka balai ka bang ui ni ka report jong ki ka riba ka testing facility mat kamdan wala ka demand bezang paka di bandal ka test for the adherence to the strength of materials and cube tests are required for quality assurance te kaniru ka benta kamdan te ngin signifi presentation hne ko ka kunki drawings ngiyo ka kunki hadim bala pra ka kadum adon ka inquiry bala bun ki dur ba min to ibangi pet bak ngiyo ka hapo nang bala seal off ya tu jaka ngin signifi hne ki dur mach pulit thek pathek ni report kinyak so IT kada CM ai tang 3 sentences ngin ai tham detail kinyak ka bangiyo bak designers kladon ka can we show it now? Okay. Alright, it's running now. Yes. Selama di bahagian mah. An support biya ka report mah. There were improper joints due to which the desired strength. Then yakini ki yakar complete yung beam kita tahu BS51. Yung beam yung bahar komsna ka balong monolithic ka balong syuru tanrai syuru ka ni ka kinabar ikanong syuru column A dia kata kemudian yang katung crack cepat develop ngili iba kata kalau absent dia kadang saka there was no concrete bonding on face of BS53 and BS51 pun kita technical things ngini badan kabangin mudaya tan ispi tang kini ki idorin ba hidupin isbet khamsai ispi tang kini ki statement joki the reinforcement has not been turned to achieve the required lap due to which the beams are not adequately anchored and led to the separation of the beam from the column. Then gadan sakani ko biong ba inadequate strength of building materials. The further reasons for failure could include the basic materials subject to testing by third-party agency in the presence of all stakeholders. However, inadequate curing of structural members in spite of using correct material quality and quantity may also have led to inadequate strength. Poor workmanship and execution. The photographs attached against E. It shows poor workmanship and no adherence to drawing issued. And the columns, the stuff of the columns are out of beam and out of alignment. Then, kini ba ong tingin ko tangin pulisyo. Then kadang saka ay ni pan kadi ka ba. Yadai pat ka allotment of contract. Ka ba kata ay kadi project baru ka ba ini kadi ba kum ay ka contract do train. Ya ka tender itu contract ayo ada ka UPRNN. Bakal dan ko ka clause boto clause 39.1 yung tender condition ko ong pang subletting and subcontracting. Ka UPRNN kam na apan ay palat 10% ka kam syaki subcontract. Ki subcontract kani ka dugum jungi ketika PRC badirai construction. Kami ni implement ang 10%, ka implement 4% ketika kam hantai hapo dugum jungi. Te ki ong ruba kani ka PRC initially for apply tender ki ong klasa reject in the first place na kapiludi. Ka BRC kayo menteri hantai ding ba ka backdoor channel ko jongki. Ka UPRNN ka use ka BRC ka use ka credentials ng UPRNN baka nyo tray ka do hantai. Kani ka ju ka firm ka BRC ka pentray ki kam sport complex Portura tingi kani BRC ka figures pang po ki kam po Meghalaya. Kani ka MPC building bang sinaman taro kapentri ka BRC. Tingilingo balada ka firm ko galong laiban blacklist kani firm do bahap dumi. Marimba ki drawing kani AP shibet. Ngai ba kani ka firm kampatlong qualified ban training kam. Kablingo along balik yo syo kam. Bani UX state bani UX kiri na training firm asa blacklist. Sikumno kayo kani undue favor na ka sarkar ka jumi. Te kaba lingo kalong ba UCM hapon bu ay ka press conference kajong ba state bitang katahi bat na itna ka jinglong confident jong UCM peringkat ni ka jing kulma ba ukam kren chu ka jing kulma ka jing pra ka do azang kren spang ban puntay biang ya taki CGI sheets ngeliat ki mosaic kene ki gay ya ban pecho ka dum kalong kanika assembly jong ka building kalong safe ni kyo ba munta kalong safe hilia kuno tak kata ka method pinon kam ban pentikna ba ka building jong ka safe. At the same time, kajinglong ki brush everything under the carpet. Ki show me ba kata ka building diri ki haplo udum. Ready designers ki de ki ba la ju tray you ju udum kung ni jai ba kham he ba kham yu bun ki chaka. Ding lab ni makani report ba kadon ka e ba halender ka bangi ba borok ki ba ki keno ni ding ba ki ba tho ki jing lab jing ni report. Ni lab ba huge scale corruption ka don ba. But ka ba smosi kalong ba iba di page of the page ka kamantai kung project management consultants tahu ni election na kan kaseng jong chief minister jong kadon kajingnya pendar jot jing tap etmiao ya ka kam ka ba kerpang ka ba kongsan po ka state jong tingimla kung ki patba kung ki congress ru nimna ba chu napsa ki bani hapan dewat dunia panilawat dunia pakai bunyi dia menghini konten pas ba bangin suya mereka dika election agenda mereka dika tong ba ikan dika dom kan dika assembly building di tong ba baladon kam ni adon kam yaki stakeholders perfect baginya minumnya we won't go with the smiles ni kita junglong ka PRO skills jong UCM ka UCM nya skap no kam daira ngidangnya wa susu Pangalit sekarang media press A kini dia bentar kiro. Kita ini kerja tu prinsip stop ada dalam iya ka. Ya kan kita drawing so building kena dijot ang pra kan ke dina jongkar komsna. Video dah nak buat kelas tu. Dan dulu kan daun mah apa kelihatan lagi. Kapung emang drawing dari komnya belum di kita ongkir support, kita post support. Mereka pun kita the accident as observed on the side. As per photograph, the same is not done with improper joints due to which desired strength will not be achieved. Next page covered. Next. Yes. Just go down, scroll it down. You see this one? But you support. You support. Liki narot joki thangkung support khamjang ka monolithic structure joki kikwa. Next cover. Cracks ne. Scroll down. No. Go up. Go up cover. Yes. Cracks the development joints then develops, and we do not know कि हम बक्का save this building, but the cracks are still there. Then the cracks behave there. That should convert. The connection of the above beam BS53 is not proper. Casting does not seem monolithic as gap is visible at the connection. All these gaps there. Yeah, should ask me the gaps are everywhere. Next convert. Next page. Yeah, yeah, sure. Next page convert. Yes. Can you go that page again convert? Go back. Yes. Click by affection so just go to that statement convert. Need to statement there. Poor workmanship description. The photographs attached below shows poor workmanship and no adherence to drawing issued. The stuck columns are out of the beam and out of alignment. This is the quality of work that contractors are doing on us. That's it, I can work. Yeah, I think that's it also. Ini sangat bagus. Ayo tu. Kapong trekam. Bang hap keno ino hap keno hi ka timri bang clear kan ka high power committee jong ki la head the speaker yang hap kidi belong equally responsible, and he's like the speaker himself. He should take like the onus on him ba un pensyai un let tikena pakim la ban takti kum gapur palada mi community ki jing kulmar ki jing pra jing yu asmo ba speaker one of the chief stakeholder ba de ba met ba la de ban kham Simti mu mde bencu penyadar job man kapor ba kulmar en chukran tang sim roi mde da de kapor maki kila long answer boleh kan ka project ta kublai irin